I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can actually drive. Unlock a car or buggy and top off fuel because you waste points stopping for repairs. Once done, equip a basic salvage repair kit so small collisions don't end runs early. Open the vehicle challenges and choose the driver objectives you want to farm. These list specific tasks that award driver points. Do this immediately because early preparation saves retries and preserves momentum when you begin executing stunts and timed runs. You'll now focus on the middle sequence, chaining maneuvers to build combos and multipliers. Begin with ramps and drifts, jump off angled surfaces, then land clean to preserve combo. Once you've got momentum, take designated time trials and delivery routes, aiming for checkpoints in order. Hitting them raises your cumulative driver score. Use nitro selectively to clear speed gates or maintain combo during long straightaways, and make sure to avoid heavy collisions, because repairs reduce net points and break multiplier chains. You finish by banking your progress. Drive back to a safe zone or complete the listed challenge to convert accumulated driver points into rewards. If a run fails or you lose too many points, reset and shorten the route. Prioritize consistent clean combos over risky one-off stunts. Make sure the vehicle is fully repaired before retrying, and practice the highest yield sections repeatedly to improve timing. If points still don't register, double-check challenge activation in the menu and reload the area before attempting another run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.